Coconut Man Day 5.
All right, so this is a Malayan dwarf coconut tree. And as you can see, look at the base. I could almost put my hand around it. They're pretty thin. These grow to 40 to 50 feet tall. There's three varieties. There's a yellow coconut, a green, and also a red. Kind of rare. These are, you see a lot on the beach and pretty like the common variety around here. And then if you look over here, these are the ones I'm really trying to germinate. Coconuts are hard to plant. Are either my pans, crossbreed of a Jamaican tall. A lot of the Jamaican talls, they died from a yellowing disease. But look at these. I mean, these are just, I can't even put my arm around them. The bases are just humongous. These will grow to over 100 feet tall and live to 100 years. And these are the coconuts I've been trying to find and germinate. If you can see over here, here's a good example. Here's a base of a giant, and this is a base of a smaller one. So pretty interesting. There's different varieties, but these are the big dogs.